kinong hikai lembat ki khynnah school jongka new era secondary school kharui mer mausmai menta kasngi ki lapan kup burom yo khynnah puli kani ke school ubalawan ra nam wanra burom ya ke school u sohan thapa ublayo ya ke kerdan bakhatsan na pedeng ki arpungun hak exam SSLC menta usnem wadla kani ke school kabla seng ha usnem arajar lai hagashnong mausmai riboy district kadang don bon ba ki jingduna nadu kayeng school hadu kitiar bapandon kam hapo kamra school henry kalesay ki khynnah ki bestat mentaus nem ki balai le ye ke metric na ki khatsan ngut ki blapas ki long khat lai ngut na pedeng ki ne usohan thapa ulayo ye ke kerdan bakhatsan but yo star mark ha ki santeli ki subject ulayo ru shispa mark ha ke subject science but udai ru bah mark stam ha ke subject nepali habaro kowe ke jela hakane ke jingpun ku borom lai don rengkat lang dau MLA ke Jirang uba sostana sotun kumu kongsan ki nong hikai ki khynnah school bat urang ba shnong jongka mausmai na kaliang u MLA ula aji rap ru da ka song pisa shau sohan thapa bat ula kular ru bo un sa ai sobha da ka laptop shau ni u khynnah school kum ka borom yo u bat lapan kun ye ke jingle borom da ka jing ya ot cake lang.
In this very compound there will be a school, and then from this school there will be students, and not only ordinary students, but students who have performed very well in this just included SSLC exam. This school established as stated in 2003, and the first batch of SSLC exam starts from 2020, and then in 2020 you scored 73%, and in 2021 it has increased to 87 in percentage pass, I hope. And then in 2022, 92% pass. Not only that, it shocks me and everyone when we heard about the news that this new era secondary school, this incomplete building with no plaster, with additional classroom, just better, but students coming out in flying colors. This keep in everyone's mind that no one can stop anyone from achieving any goal, especially my dear students, boys and girls. No one can stop you from achieving even the top of the top in the SSLC exam.
Firstly, I would like to thank our MLA who visited the village and encouraged us, hands to me and help us giving this valuable time. He has a lot of work to do, but even though he came here and visited us and help us, so that's all I can say. Like his teacher also worked hard, teachers and my parents, and also I would like to thank my tuition sir who helped me a lot to achieve the top 15, to secure the top 15 position in Meghalaya and to score 92%. That's all I can say.